Artificial intelligence. It's already in your phone, your car, your shopping cart, and even your fridge. But how much do you really know about it? Today we're diving into the truth about AI. Busting myths, exploring real-world uses, uncovering future possibilities, and exposing what AI still can't do. Let's uncover the untold story of artificial intelligence. AI stands for artificial intelligence, machines programmed to mimic human intelligence. It's not one single thing. AI includes machine learning, ML, deep learning, neural networks, natural language processing, like Siri or ChatGPT. AI learns from data. The more data, the smarter it becomes. Think of it like teaching a child, but faster, and without emotions. Myth 1. AI is smarter than humans. Fact: AI is good at narrow tasks, like playing chess, but lacks general intelligence. Myth 2. AI will steal all our jobs. Fact: it will replace some jobs but also create new ones, AI trainers, ethics officers, and prompt engineers. Myth 3. AI can think for itself. Fact: AI has no consciousness, self-awareness, or emotions. It predicts, not thinks. Myth 4. AI will destroy humanity. Fact: it's not about killer robots. The real danger is biased data, misinformation, and unethical use. AI is already all around us. Here are everyday examples. Healthcare, diagnosing diseases, reading X-rays. Finance, fraud detection, stock trading bots. E-commerce, personalized product recommendations. Maps, real-time traffic predictions. Google Maps uses AI. Social media, content moderation, facial recognition. Entertainment, Netflix suggestions, AI-generated music. If you've ever said, "Hey Siri," or gotten a perfect YouTube suggestion, you've met AI. AI is expected to transform industries like education, personalized tutoring, law, reviewing documents, case predictions, climate change, forecasting disasters, managing energy, self-driving cars, in progress but not flawless yet. AI in space. NASA uses AI to detect exoplanets. But with power comes responsibility. The future isn't about AI replacing us. It's about humans plus AI working together. Despite the hype, AI has clear limits. Can't truly understand emotions or context. Struggles with creativity. Can't make moral decisions. Heavily dependent on the data we give it. Cannot explain why it made a decision. Black box problem. AI is fast, but fast doesn't mean wise. AI uses training data, lots of it. Algorithms identify patterns and make predictions. Types of learning. Supervised with labeled data. Unsupervised, grouping unknown data. Reinforcement, trial and error like a game. Example, AI playing chess plays millions of games before getting good. It's like giving a toddler a billion Lego blocks and watching it figure out architecture. If you learned something new today, hit that like button and subscribe for more amazing facts every week. What do you think about AI? Friend or threat? Drop your thoughts in the comments below.